Hello, today is Wednesday, June 25th, 2025. So we get paid today. As a matter of fact, maybe 1 hour later, my company will wire the pay to my bank account. So it's sweet, and I am happy, and I really appreciate my company's continuing to employ uh, me, and also supporting me through until my retirement in 3 years' time. When I retire, I'm not sure what I will do. Probably I'll just travel around the world for 9 months. That's when my unemployment checks end. Then I will look for international trade, like I buy commodities such as the beans, uh, jujubes, dates, agricultural products, and also probably import arms, rifles, ammunitions, or export them. But if you give me a job, I will consider it. Right? I would like to work in overseas. Uh, I like Turkey, Europe, UK a little bit, and the USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Yeah, what the heck? I wouldn't mind working there for 3 years, right? Then return to Korea and spend the rest of my life happily fighting against the communism and North Korea and the United States too. I don't know. I'm just joking. I hope my country be prosperous and the world people uh, live in peace, including the United States, Iran, Israel, Iraq, and all other countries, including North Korea. I feel we should get united soon, right? This article is from AT&T's partner company called H2o.ai, right? And the title is AT&T transformed into an AI company with H2o.ai, right? KT, my company, Korea Telecom, is #1 AI company in Korea, also a cloud service provider and telecom carrier. We are the largest. We do have our own AI platform called Medium, that's trust. The Medium means trust. But we have strong partnership with Azure, Microsoft Azure, and Palantir, right? And Microsoft and Palantir Technology, they both have mutual partnership agreement. So it's quite natural that KT joined the partnership. Let's step in. By the way, the reason I am trying to read an English article every day is to practice English. Because I'm not a native speaker, I need to constantly practice English, right? I like English and Chinese. As a matter of fact, I like foreign languages. German, I learned German in high school, right? AT&T is a broadband connectivity provider delivering high-speed fiber and wireless broadband networks and connecting people and business across the USA. They do have some footprint in Korea too. They have some kind of a footing with some multinational companies in Korea. They selected H2o.ai as their AI technology platform for transformation. In 2015, the AT&T data science team was primarily working with open source software. It was a relatively small team of experts, and it took multiple months to deliver an AI project that delivered a strong return on investment. Since deploying their AI as a service platform in 2021, AT&T's AI users rapidly increased and AI projects moved from idea to impact much faster than before. AT&T has democratized AI across their organization, and their efforts have delivered significant business value. Very good expression. AT&T has democratized AI across their organization. AT&T has democratized AI across their organization, right? For example, they reduced the iPhone fraud by over 80% using AI. That's good expression. We did have fraud, right? Phone fraud by customers, which was terrible. Now, no fraud. An iPhone fraud is roughly $1 billion problem in the US. AT&T moved from open source to AutoML to an AI as a service platform to deliver AI projects more quickly and to increase the number of individuals working with and benefiting from AI. Really, AT&T moved from open source to AutoML to an AI as a service platform to deliver AI projects more quickly and to increase the number of individuals working with and benefiting from AI. Their AI as a service platform links together on-premises and data cloud providers with H2o.ai cloud and a set of proprietary AI services to rapidly deliver AI solutions across the organization. Okay, so unlike Korea Telecom, right, my company KT, AT&T seems to use AI solely for their own business operations, right? And it's called AI as a service. Let me be clear right here. It says AT&T moved from open source to AutoML to an AI as a service platform to deliver AI projects more quickly and to increase the number of individuals working with and benefiting from AI. Democratized AI across its own organization. Their AI as a service platform links together on-premises and data cloud providers. This is confusing, right? So it seems to be it's just service, right? For customers. Their AI as a service platform links together on-premises and data cloud providers with H2o.ai cloud and a set of proprietary AI services to rapidly deliver AI solutions across the organization. So this is confusing, right? On-premises and data cloud providers. Today, AT&T has completed a large number of AI projects across a wide variety of business units. So I think generally they are talking about their own business units. But what confuses me is that the sentence, their AI as a service platform links together on-premises and data cloud providers. I think AT&T itself is a data cloud provider, so I get confused. Today, AT&T has completed a large number of AI projects across a wide variety of business units. In partnership, H2o.ai and AT&T co-created the H2o.ai feature store to store, update, and share the features data scientists, developers, and engineers need to build AI models. Why H2o.ai? AT&T selected H2o.ai due to its customer-obsessed and innovative culture and its state-of-the-art technology. H2o.ai continues to innovate and to find what's next in AI. With your partnership, we are moving faster, delivering more value, and co-creating new AI products. Mark Austin, VP Data Science. We've built our internal AI as a service, AIS, or I think AIS platform, MyAS, right? AIS, MyAS platform leveraging H2O's AI cloud services, and we believe the co-invention and co-development of H2O AI feature store is going to be one of the most impactful elements in our platform. With the H2O AI feature store, we are building AI solutions that are much faster, more accurate, and robust in fraction of the time. AVP of Data Science, Prince Paul Raj. AT&T use cases. AT&T is using AI to address a broad range of use cases, from marketing and sales to network availability and maintenance. AT&T has large number of models in production, and their pace of deploying production use cases is continuing to increase. Okay, iPhone fraud, predictive maintenance, route optimization, AT&T AI for good. iPhone fraud. Individuals try to create fake identities to gain access to service and iPhones without paying or paying very little. In the US market, iPhone fraud is more than a $1 billion problem. Serious. In Korea, less. AT&T used the H2O AI cloud to move from rules-based systems to AI to fight fraud. Right? Over time, rules-based systems from move. AT&T used the H2O AI cloud to move from rules-based systems to AI to fight fraud. Over time, AT&T applied multiple AI fraud models to improve their fraud fighting accuracy, reducing fraud by over 80%. That's good. Congratulations. Predictive maintenance. AT&T operates one of the largest trucking fleets in the country with 7,000 trucks. Wow, I didn't know. The trucks are used to service towers and other infrastructure that keeps AT&T's network available and fast. When trucks break down, not only are there costs to tow and service the vehicle, but they aren't able to quickly complete their assigned jobs, which impacts the customer experience. Dead vehicle batteries were the most common problem, so AT&T used H2O.ai technology to build a model that would predict when batteries would fail. One of the interesting findings was that drivers who worked their brakes harder also had batteries that failed more quickly. AT&T determined that if they replaced batteries when they replaced the brakes, they would largely eliminate truck breakdowns. A change led to improved customer experience and a savings of $7 million per year. Sounds like a less impactful, right? It's more like a Six Sigma or a Kanban 1-point innovation or improvement task, right? If you brake hard, then you need to replace battery when you replace braking system. That's simple. Route optimization. With 700 trucks and more than 100,000 technicians performing various services on a daily basis, AT&T had a complex optimization problem on its hands, of course. Different service technicians have different skill sets and work varying distances from needed jobs. Additionally, the types of service requests change on a daily basis. This was a job that was too varied and complex for a rules-based optimization system. AT&T used H2o.ai to build a set of models that best aligned local skills with local jobs while optimizing mileage. The AI solution creates better customer experiences by staffing the right technician with the right job, reduces fuel consumption, and saves more than $10 million per year. That's good. Probably we need that solution too, right? AT&T Shop Pound AI for Good. AT&T partnered with H2o.ai to help predict flooding for Argonne National Laboratories. Argonne National Laboratories spent large amounts of time and energy building physics models that ran on supercomputing infrastructure, and they were looking to learn if AI and machine learning could help. AT&T and H2o.ai data science experts worked on the problem, and driverless AI and H2O AI Cloud's AutoML service also helped, automatically engineering some key features. Some of the key features were based on past rainfall, not just in the last 3 days, but also in the past 8 weeks. Rainfall can take a while to saturate the ground and cause flooding, and looking at different time segment features really helped to improve the model's performance. Together, the teams were able to validate that AI could replicate the physics models, which would help to speed up research at Argonne National Laboratories. Very good. So it's more like a big data and prediction models, right? Kind of using rough brute force of AI. So mainly AT&T uses the AI for their internal business improvement, right? To fight iPhone fraud, for more predictive maintenance, and right match of jobs and technicians. Previously, there was a mismatch. Now they just moved on to the customer, right? They helped Argonne National Laboratories with their AI model in partnership with H2o.ai. So unlike AT&T, our company is advancing, right? We just offer AI services to customers using our own Medium Trust platform and Microsoft AI, Azure, and and Palantir technology, right? More customer stories: UCSF Center for Digital Health Innovation, Kaiser Permanente, where H2O AI seems like a very good company. Well, before I go, right, I would like to check out what I've tried to memorize. iPhone fraud. AT&T used H2O AI Cloud to move from